If you have been watching this channel, you may have asked yourself, how do these topics connect? Why talk about nuclear energy one day and biology the next? If you are paying attention, you already know the answer. Nothing here is random. We are building a map of the new world, piece by piece. In our first phase, we showed you the infrastructure of control. We exposed the AI energy crisis and why Microsoft and Google are panic buying nuclear power. We explained the death of the middleman and how AI will wipe out entire industries. We warned you about the 2026 supercycle and the rise of autonomous AI, replacing human labor 24/7. And we looked back at history to the day it became illegal to own money in 1933 to show you that the rules of the game can change overnight. That was the foundation: money, energy, and labor. Now, with the videos we are releasing today, we are entering Phase 2, the control of reality and the self. We are moving from the wallet to the mind. We talked about the unexplained drones violating US airspace, the end of privacy from above. We explored the hidden side of silicon, the end of privacy inside your own head. We showed you the code of life hacked with CRISPR, the end of biological equality. And finally, the quantum data bubble, the potential end of all digital secrets. Do you see the pattern? The macro is the economy and the geopolitics. The neuro is the biology and the psychology. Neuromacro is the intersection where the future happens. We are not just reporting news. We are tracking a transition in human history. The old world is dying, and the new one is being built on code, genes, and qubits. What comes next will be even more intense. We will explore off-world economies, the simulation theory, and the true cost of immortality. You have the map. Now you need to walk the path. This is Neuromacro. Subscribe. The puzzle is just beginning.